New Homeland Security report alleges Chinese officials concealed COVID-19 dangers from the rest of the world while stockpiling supplies for themselves. ABC's Inez de la Cuetara explains there are now questions about what the White House knew.
President Trump lashing out at China during a Fox News town hall.
It could have been stopped on the spot. They chose not to do it, or something happened. Either there was incompetence or they didn't do it for some reason.
The president's criticism coming as a new Homeland Security report obtained by ABC News accuses the Chinese government of misleading the world about just how bad the virus really was. U.S. intelligence officials writing, the Chinese government intentionally concealed the severity of COVID-19 from the international community in early January, while it stockpiled medical supplies by both increasing imports and decreasing exports. Those medical supplies including things like face masks, gloves, ventilators, and other life-saving equipment. After praising China's response to the outbreak early on, President Trump now telling Fox News China could have stopped the outbreak, but didn't.
They made a mistake. They tried to cover it. They tried to put it out. It's like a fire.
The administration going so far as to suggest the virus may have come from a lab in Wuhan.
I can tell you that there is a significant amount of evidence that this came from that laboratory in Wuhan.
This, as the director of national intelligence says COVID-19's origins are still under investigation and that intelligence officials have reached no conclusion. The president's own infectious disease experts stating last month that research indicates the virus came from bats.
A group of highly qualified evolutionary virologists looked at the sequences there and the sequences in bats as they evolve, and the mutations that it took to get to the point where it is now is totally consistent with a jump of a species from an animal to a human.
President Trump also said that his administration will present evidence of China's involvement in the coronavirus's spread at the right time. Inez de la Cuetara, ABC News, Washington.